Hello and welcome. Last year Bill Livolsi hosted the No Lathe Pen Challenge. I made a bunch of Kubotan pens for that challenge and they were quite popular. The problem I had with those pens was that there were pens and the mechanism wasn't really there. There was no mechanism, and in the end for the giveaway I added those little what are they called, touch pen things for phones and tablets and whatnot. That was not ideal either, but the second issue was they were made of mild steel, and at the time I thought it was a good idea because I could easily work with it. However, if they were not properly protected from rust, they would rust, and that's not good. So I went and bought some brass rod stock as a 10mm, and well, let's try this. It's not going to be pens, it's just going to be Kubotan. Going to do some sculpting. Is it called sculpting? I don't know. Anyways, have a looky how things turn out. Bye bye. Here we are. I'm very happy how these three turned out, and there's a little teeny tiny one as well. Let me know in the comments how you like them. I'll see you soon.